Hey guys, welcome to this channel. Welcome to watching this video. I wanted to put this out here very quickly. I'm going to try to get through this as quick as possible. I know that you've seen my videos if you've seen me talking about making money online and what it is I do as affiliate marketing and digital marketing. What I want to show you is this whole course thing. I'm all over this whole, people selling these courses online to show you how to make money, and I'm always telling everybody don't do it. I spoke with hundreds of people that I've told not to do this course. And just last night, I spoke to three in one day that I have talked to before, told them not to go buy this course. They went and bought the course, and now they're back talking to me because they got scammed out of their money and they want to actually start making money online without having to put a ton of money into getting started. And I want to show you, I want to put this out here because I want to show you exactly what this whole course, these courses that people are selling online, these gurus that are selling these courses for hundreds of dollars. All right. Now you can go out there and you can find all different kinds of them, but I'm going to show you how almost every single one of them are written. Okay. I'm going to show you this, and it's only going to take me about 30 seconds to do it. So watch this. If you're new to the channel, hit that bell for me, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, all that stuff. But watch this. Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to show you how they write these courses that you buy online, that you spend hundreds of dollars on, these courses online. All right. Here's what we're going to do. chatgpt.com. All right, I'm going to go in here and I'm going to go write a course for a beginner that wants to know how to make money online. Boom. Here you go. Beginner friendly course, making money online, a guide. And look at this. Look, this is what it's doing right here. This is exactly, now somebody out there might take this and repackage it a little bit and present it a little bit better than, what ChatGPT here is. But this is what they're going to show you. This is what your $600 is going to buy you if you go out there and you get one of these courses. I've even seen courses out there for $1,100. And all right, back in the day, before I actually started making money online, yes, I bought a course. I fell for this. And I paid $300 for the one that I bought, right? But then I joined the coaching program and all that other BS. So you don't have to do any of that with what I'm doing now, but I wanted to jump on here and I wanted to show you this is how those stupid courses are written, okay? This is how they do it. This is how they get you locked in, because once you pay for this course, you're done to them. You're dead to them. They don't need you anymore. They already got your money. So that's how these courses are written. I just wanted to throw this out there because I do not sell a course. I don't sell anything like this. You should not buy anything like this. You should not pay for anything like this. I show you right here on my YouTube channel how to make money online for free. It's not a course. It's a 7-video playlist that shows you exactly the system that I use, so you know every single part about it. Literally shows you everything day to day how I make money online. I made a full-time income in 2024, and I can help you make one too, from home, from your phone. Simple. You don't have to make videos like this, but I go over all that too. I want to end this up by saying, do not buy these courses. I do not sell these courses. You should not buy these courses. Do not use these courses. They don't show you anything. Sorry. Just wanted to break that out to you. See you out there.